Hello, I hope you're doing great. Today we are going to see a quick example of using Azure storage from a .NET Core application to upload your files into the cloud. So, first you need to have installed the NuGet packages for azure.storage.files.shares and the Microsoft.extensions.azure. The extensions package actually allows you to be able to configure uh, your Azure services using dependency injection. So you will see that, well, I have my connection string already defined in the configuration file. This is the root in the configuration file. Now you see that for services, you actually do services.add Azure clients, and then you configure all the services that you want for Azure. In this case, I only have the file service client because that's the only SDK I have imported at the moment. What this will do is that after I do this, now I will be able to receive the shared service client through using dependency injection. So you see, this is the class that we are receiving in the controller add file service client. Here we have the service client. Now you will see that when I run that, we will receive it. Well, it executes the configuration. Now you see that as soon as the controller is being loaded, we actually get an instance for the shared service client, which is already configured. Now we want to upload. Basically, we just go and select a file. We hit open, and I already have the storage created, and this is the file share where I am going, or this is the file share space. So I haven't pre-created a file share because we are going to create everything, the folders and shares, if they do not exist. We are going to check if they exist, and if they don't, we create them. So I already chose the file. I'll hit upload. You see that it actually is received in the file is received in the post. That's basic .NET and how to do that. It's just a form with the ASP-action set to upload file, ASP-controller set to home, and since we are uploading a file, we are using the type multi-part form data, and the button is a submit. It will submit to this action, and okay, this is a post. It received the iForm file. So that's the usual .NET upload file approach. Now we get the actual name for the file, which is that name. We open the stream. We create a share name. In this case, I hard-coded the share name and the directory just for testing purposes, but you can get that from configuration, however you want, depending on your needs. That depends on your application logic. We get a reference to the shared client. So basically, for the storage SDKs, you basically have to get like a client or a reference to the object that you are going to verify or create, delete, or modify in some way. So you see that here we get the shared client, and the share is actually the shared test file, which is this name. So we verify It will verify if there is any share with that name in here. If there is no share with that name, we will create that share. And if we refresh the page, we will see the share already created in here. We continue. Now the share needs to have either the files or uh, directory and directory files. I'm sorry. So uh, we get a reference to the data directory. So if there is no directory name data, we create it, and you will see that now in this share or file share, we have the data folder, which is empty at the moment. We continue the logic. So we check, we get the file client. We are going to check if there is any file with that name, with the name of the image. So there is no file which has that name that you are seeing right now. There is no file. We actually create a file, and if we refresh, you will see that here we have the file already uploaded to Azure file storage. And now if I download this, you will see that this is uh, I have an error in here, in there. Let's see. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, the first thing you actually need to do is create the file, but it's not uploaded at the moment. So we need to upload the file. Let's see if it actually works. It says status 201. It says that it actually worked. So now let's refresh this and let's download the file. Now we have the image. So the thing with this is SDK is, or the way that it seems to work, is that basically you need to create a file and kind of reserve the space that you are going to use, and then you upload the file and fill that space or upload it in there. So yeah, that's the one of the ways actually to use the storage SDKs to upload files to the cloud. So this is really useful for cloud applications where it is recommended that you do not have um, this base storage, but instead store everything in the cloud. In this case, you can use Azure file storage. I hope this has been useful for you. Let me know anything you would like to know about or learn about .NET Core, Azure, Unity 3D. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notifications as soon as the videos are uploaded. Let us know everything you would like to know. Share the videos, like them, so we can get more subscribers. Thank you very much and have a great day.